Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app, and in today's video I will show you on how to bulk order payment on 1688 Chinese shopping app and pay to multiple supplier. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to follow your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. Then have you opened up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to search for products from different supplier. However, there are so many ways by which you can use to search for product from this different supplier. One of the first way is to come to the top right here, click on this particular point right here. This allows you to connect with direct factory from China in these sections right here. Alternatively, you can come back to the home page right here and then search by category. For you to search for product by category, swipe this way and then you go ahead and click on here. You see products in different category in this particular section, just like what you see right here. However, you can also click on this camera icon right here, which allow you to image search. That is, when you upload the product picture sample right here, you can see a similar result of that particular product. After you have successful source for product, next thing you need to do is to add the product to cart. If you don't know how to add the product to cart from different supplier, consider to check the video out on my channel. I've made a lot of step-by-step video on how you can add products to cart. After you source and add product to cart, next thing you need to do is to click on here to fill your cart. Then all the products you have in your cart is going to be found right here, just like what you see right here. So all these products here, I'm going to do bulk payment for them, as you can see right here. And for that, what we want to do is to click on here to select all the products. Having select all the products, just like what you see right here, you can scroll down and cross check and review everything right here. Once you're satisfied with all the products, next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Just like so. So you can see from the checkout right here, then you can review everything. Scroll down and check on all the products right here, just like what you see right here. Okay, the more you scroll down, the more you see all the products right here. Then I'm paying the sum of 252.73 yen to purchase all these products on 1688. The next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed with payments. So right here, there are two means of payment right here, either Alipay or Master or Visa card with USD or any local currency. But this tutorial, I'm using my Alipay right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment with my Alipay. Then go ahead and enter my payment password. Now payment done successful, just like what you see right here. Okay. Next thing you need to do is to click on here to close this bumper. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to my profile. Then by the time I refresh my profile, all the order I just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. You can see it right here. So these are all the order right here on 1688. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and notify the person that asked me to pay for them on my WhatsApp. So I'm going to exit from my 1688 right here and come to the WhatsApp right here. And I'm going to click on here, select the image, select the proof of payment, and set all order paid for. It's that simple. It's that simple. You can see my conversation with the person that asked me to pay for them right here. Starting from the link to the quotation, etc. And this is not the first time we are working together. I have been buying cheap product for this particular person from 1688 in China for a very long time. If this is exactly what you need, you want me to procure a link on 1688, Pinduoduo, Taobao, Alibaba or AliExpress or Idlefish or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship, import products from China without any stress. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.